Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Cookie Time with Daniela. My name is Daniela Oboke. Today is Christmas and we're just cooking this turkey to do jollof rice. Jollof rice is regular food which we cook or eat all the time. It's not a new thing to everyone. So yeah, we just start preparing this now. This what I'll be using. I'll put this bell pepper inside and then use this onions. These are the ingredients I'm using: cayenne pepper, salt, thyme, curry, and the seasonings. So I'll just mix all of them together inside. Merry Christmas to you all. We thank you for the subscription to watch our video, and we also thank God for keeping us alive. It's not our grace that we find ourselves for this Christmas. Many people we did the Christmas last year together, they're not able to make this year. It's not because of our power, it's the power of our Creator. Thank God for everything. I'll be adding water because I need the water to cook the rice itself. Yeah, it's okay like this. The turkey is ready. I will just be taking it out to deep fry it. I will not be having a chance to fry them in the pot. I will just take it to deep fry. The pepper is maybe 6. We usually do 4. This one will be today. Have boiled the rice. There's 7 cups of rice. I'll just wash this just 2 times. Then the pepper like grind to them, and then I add 1 cup of big derica to it. So I'll be putting them all together now. Okay. You just put it so for me. So I can cook this one first before adding something else to it. Those are the water I use to boil the turkey. I have this this one left over. I'll just put it. I don't want it to stay in the fridge anymore. So that part is clear. I will just wait for this one to boil. I'll add a little bit of water to it and let it boil for some time. Then I'll come back. The tomatoes is done. I will be putting salt and vinegar. This is my ingredients for jollof rice mixed together. This one is to make the rice color. I'll show you the so this one is this one. that one is spicy. This one, spicy. So yeah, you can get those ones around you. I'll be using curry. That's for smell. Curry just for smell. And this is nutmeg. Nutmeg. It's still for to make it smell too. This one still have small one inside the plate. Just okay. And mango. Remember, before you put rice on your jollof rice, you should try it and see the taste. Because whatever taste this have, this stew you have here that's what your jollof rice will have. So this is where you need to add as many things that you need to add to it. And you don't really need all these things to make it sweet. Just do it with what you have. It will surely come out good. So I will cover it, let it a little bit the ingredients boil and mix together before adding the rice together. I may have to change the pot. I'm still thinking if this pot will be enough. But yeah, see, it's done. Ready to put the rice. The stove is on low right now. I later change the pot. That middle pot will be enough. It will be big enough to cook it. My only reason is that to have a split, if I'm turning it, it may not be enough. It won't be full there, but I just like it when it's not even full at all. This one is kind of used 2 cups to be bigger than the other one. As you are stirring, make sure you are not using a plastic. You are using plastic spoon, not the stainless one, and then you are not stirring to scrape the downside of it. Don't let the water too much on top the jollof rice too. Yeah, so this is how it looks like right now. As you keep boiling, the color will be coming out of it. Just you try to separate it like this so the water can go under. Not just be poking them around or like this. I will just put butter this time though. Okay. The jollof rice is ready. So, a lot come out with it. I'll just remove them since we already done. This is the end of the jollof rice and fried turkey video. So this is what we get from the boat. I didn't expect the jollof rice to be red like this. It's still good because I only used that one tomatoes and the ones I grind together. Okay, so yeah, this is the end of our jollof rice and talking video. So we'll see you a Merry Christmas, and we'll see you again before New Year.